Stand up, stand up. Emma bo, 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 Emma bo. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man. Make children, make children, make children. Hey, 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 hey.
Why are you doing that?
Because Mom,
No. Why are you doing that? What you're doing, is it nice?
No, it's bad. I love you. I love you. I'm sorry.
Did you guys hear that? So if you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Mikey. If you see me looking there, guys, you know what, let's forget about it. So guys, I just got downstairs now. I want to get some lunch for Easy to eat. He's super hungry. Once I'm done with this, I want to go upstairs and do a very quick haul for you guys to see some of the items I bought. Oh, by the way, today is May 1. Oh, this is my birth month, guys. 7 days away from my birthday. I'm super excited because I'm making this video on May 1, so definitely 7 days away from my birthday. So you do know that my birthday is May 8th. I'm super excited. I really don't have anything special planned, nothing. I'm not all about that birthday thing this year, but if anything comes up, well, good and fine. I probably will be documenting it. I'm sure you guys have noticed my absence recently from YouTube. It's just that, man, guys, lately I've just been feeling so demotivated. Like, I've not been feeling like making videos. I've not been feeling like doing anything, even taking care of myself personally. Like, I can't remember when last I had this look on my face, like literally, because I've just been demotivated. A lot has been happening. I don't want to say it's because of what's been happening technically, because I did apply for a job posting at my place of work and I didn't get it. I mean, it's not something for me to be upset about or be depressed about, but you know, we human beings, we just can never be satisfied. So since joining this company, I'm just gonna be a year this May on the 11th. Since joining this company, I have been promoted twice, and this time around I was like, okay, I'm gonna shoot higher than expectations, because we do have a growth chart at work, as in you can follow that chart. But I was trying to, like, you know, I mean, people try it and it works. So, well, God knows better. Maybe I'm not ready for it yet. I just wait. God's time is the best, and he probably has better plans for me, you know, elsewhere. But that just put me down a little bit. Then what's been going on social media, oh my god, guys, it's been a lot. Like, from the Chrisland whole school saga, the whole what's that girl's name, Cora and her husband. Then the next issue was, what's this, Yul Edochie. Then we left Yul Edochie then to with like Lagos girls sleeping with dogs. Like, guys, that just blew my mind. Like, oh my god, like, I was just, in fact, I feel so bad because I actually did watch the video and it's messed with my head for a little bit, and I was just feeling so very uncomfortable, you know. But it got me thinking that something must be going on somewhere. Something has gone wrong somewhere for people to be able to get all the way to this level of stooping so low to going down with a dog because of money. 2 million naira or 1 million naira, like whatever the amount it is, like, it's not worth it. You know, I did go on to hear that right now in Lagos hospitals, a lot of young girls within the age of 30 are being diagnosed for HIV and AIDS. It's so alarming, guys. I just hope that something can be done about this whole situation, where we correct it as parents. I mean, we need to get it right as parents, because something is missing somewhere. You know, we live in a society now that just your phone alone can make money for you. As just making use of your phone alone can make money for you. But people have stooped so low to this level of going all the way to an animal. It doesn't sound right, you know. And then all this information, just bad news, bad news, bad news, bad news. I'm like, I need to put myself together and be up and running, you know. Guys, you know what, guys, I am back. Oh, Sissy Yemi's baby is so grown. Guys, I'm actually watching Sissy Yemi. So what was I saying, guys? So we just need to put ourselves together, you know. I can't keep drooling in like everywhere. Just
Mom,
nah.
I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there.
Okay, guys. Okay. Just can I please be done?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, guys, my son is hungry. Let me just get some lunch for him to eat. I want to warm some white rice for him, and then I'm gonna be putting some meat on the fire. Guys, I want to show you something. So it's not like you can't get fresh spinach. You can actually get fresh spinach, but this is the spinach that we buy. It's frozen spinach. Just imagine the amount of water that is inside here, guys. You guys see this? And this is some water that has melted from the spinach since last night. Just look at the water. By the time I drain this out, there will be nothing. It will just be spinach for one person, so all the nutrients are actually gone. That's what we're going through in this America. I'm gonna run upstairs now, go to the mall, then come back downstairs to finish cooking my stew. And I think I want to make fried rice for Mr. T. So I'm going to be making fried rice as well. So guys, thank you so much for waiting and watching up until this extent. I'll see you guys later. I do have visitors downstairs, so I just got these items off of Shein, and I thought to come share it with you guys. I just wanted to splurge, you know, not for any reason. So this I don't know about this because on the picture it seemed to look a little bit bigger, but in real life it's so tiny. I kind of feel they should put dimensions when they put stuff on Shein. I'm quite disappointed, to be honest with you, because I don't like small earrings. I like them big, you know. Do you guys see how this is? If I put this on my ear, no one is even gonna notice. It's so tiny. But I got it off of Shein for $3, which I think is so expensive. You know, it came in this little pack in here. So that's one of the items I thought to show you guys. And then another item I got is this hairband. This is what it looks like. I really do like it, guys. It just looks so beautiful and cute. This is what's gonna look like on me. You guys see? I really do like it, guys. What do you guys think about it? Although I'm not gonna put it on like this with my hair up for the bun. I mean, it looks good too. Damn. So, do you guys see this? I really do like this, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So here, guys, this is a tank top that I got. I love the color, love the look on me. This is tank top season we're going into, guys. Yes, this is it. What do you guys think? So apparently this shopping I did was for swimsuits, but I decided to just get other stuff with it. And this is a beautiful sandal that I got. So cute and portable. You guys see how beautiful it looks. I got this in a size 40. This is it on my feet. And just a casual shirt to wear at home. I mean, I work from home. I don't go anywhere aside from the store. And this is the second one. And then this dress, cute dress, you know, good for the summer. And then, oh my god, guys, I can't believe this swimsuit. This is what the pants looks like, and I'm like, I don't know about this. Is this actually gonna size me? And I was thrilled. I was shocked. I was like, what? It's actually my size. Because I did order two swimsuits, one in a large and one in a small. This is the one in the large, and see, it sits perfectly well. I thought I was filming for the second one, but I wasn't, unfortunately. And my stew that I was cooking, I am done with it. The vegetable, I did all this in one day. I had visitors, guys. I attended to visitors as well. So this is what my vegetable look like. I made vegetable stew and fried rice for the week. If you've watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please enjoy the rest of the day, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.